Are you serious?
No, I'm joking.
Oh my god. Can I come?
Here. Come here. I love you too. Why are you making me cry? Don't cry.
You're making me cry. I can't believe I got Taylor Swift concerts.
I'm gonna mess up my makeup.
You better go wash up now.
Hey, Nicole. Nicole, are you happy? Now, where are you going, girl?
Where are you going tonight?
It's tonight.
Yeah, we're leaving in a few minutes.
It's tonight.
What?
We gotta leave if we want to get there on time.
Okay.
You want to go to Taylor Swift concert?
I do.
Huh?
I can't. I have a voice meeting.
What do you have to say, Nicole?
I don't know. I love you, Taylor Swift.